All right, guys, this is your TSheets tutorial, a brief overview on how to enter in your time cards electronically. So after you accept the invite to set up your account, you'll log in, and first thing you'll have to do is change your password. So we're going to go ahead and log in as our test employee. And the first thing that's going to pop up on your screen is going to be a default tutorial. You can go ahead and disregard that because the timesheet on their tutorial is nothing like ours. So look on the left, you've got the menus: time entries, paid time off, submit time, and a couple reports. The things we're most interested in are time entries and submit time. Let's go ahead and click on time entries, and the time entry screen will pop open. You will have time sheet list and manual time card. We are interested in manual time card. Now it will default to the current week. In this case, it's May 27th through June 2nd. And today is a Thursday, May 31st. You could also go back and review previous time cards. So you can see previous weeks are locked, so you cannot make edits. So back to the current time card. We will enter in time for Thursday, May 31st, which is today. On the left, under customer, it says no customer. Go ahead and click on the first one, and what you'll see is a drop-down list of all the job assignments that are assigned to you individually. So yours will look a little different from this. This is pretty much every project that the company is working on currently. So go ahead and select the project that you are going to enter time for. Go ahead and verify under the customer column that you have the correct project. Enter in your time. The next thing you'll do is select a service item. There will only be one service item associated with each project. So go ahead and select the one that's in there. And the last thing you need to do is enter in your notes for that time that you are submitting. Select Save. Up in the right-hand corner of that cell, you will see a red dot that indicates that there is a note attached to that time entry. Go ahead and finish out your time for the week or for the day. Select service item and then a note. Now next we will enter in sick time PTO and vacation PTO. Go ahead and select no customer. At the bottom of your list you'll have your PTO codes. Select vacation, and under customer column you will see that you have your current accrual balance. The time card will not let you enter in any hours beyond what you have currently accrued. So we'll enter in our time. No need for a service item. Enter in your note and save. Next we will do sick PTO. And we're going to enter in that for the following day. So only your vacation and sick time can you enter in to the future. So you will not be able to anticipate you're going to work 4 hours on a project tomorrow. The time card will not let you enter that in. Only sick time and vacation time. Okay, double check, everything looks good, and we're going to submit the time card. You only really want to submit at the end of the week, because once you submit your time card, the days that you submit will be locked and you will be unable to make any changes. So here we will select Thursday and Friday. Select submit, and you'll see Thursday is now locked. And once again, you can enter PTO hours in the future, but you cannot enter in time worked on projects into the future. If I do and try to save it, I will get a message, only PTO codes are allowed for time entered going forward. Okay, go ahead and save it. And that is really it. If you look on the left side of your screen, we've got a paid time off. That will give you your accrual balance up in the upper right corner. And you can check previous weeks to see when you actually entered in those PTO hours. Payroll report gives you a breakdown of the allocation of your hours, 3.75 PTO, 6.25 regular, total of 10 straight hours. You can run your project report and see how the amount of time you've spent on any given project over a certain time frame. And that is pretty much it, guys. Go ahead and log out. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'll do the best I can to help you out.